The CoolWallet Pro is a unique crypto card wallet. Its portable design and discreet look is excellent for using it on the go. Before getting into all the details, let's get it unboxed. Upon opening the box, you will find the CoolWallet card, the charger, a USB charging cable, a getting started guide, and some recovery phrase sheets. My first impression is that the card is durable. It's made from a thick plastic similar to your ID or a bank card. The card itself has a small e-paper display for basic navigation. It has a serial number used to pair with the mobile app. It also has a single click button and the charging port. It uses an encrypted Bluetooth connection to communicate with the CoolBitX app to manage all of your funds. To set up the CoolWallet Pro, first you will need to download the CoolBitX app by scanning the QR code found in the Get Started guide. You'll want to insert the card into the charger during the initial setup to ensure that you have a full battery, as it does come with a basically dead battery. The CoolWallet Pro takes roughly 4 hours to charge, and it will last 2 to 3 weeks on a full charge. CoolBit does recommend charging the device at least once per month just to maintain longevity of the battery. You can power on the CoolWallet Pro once it's charging, and once you do power it on, you will need to update the firmware immediately. To update the firmware, you'll have to ensure that your wallet is on by holding down the button and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device. You'll have to enter a one-time password to connect the wallet to the app before updating the firmware. The firmware update took about 5 minutes for me, but it can take up to 10 minutes. Once updated, you will have the option to create a new wallet or import an existing recovery phrase that you might already have from another wallet. If you select create a new wallet, you can choose from 12, 18, or 24 phrase options, 24 being the most secure. Instead of using words as a seed phrase, also known as BIP39 protocol, the CoolWallet Pro utilizes BIP32, which uses numbers. Technically, BIP39 is basically the same as BIP32. It's just a little more simple because it converts the numbers into words so that they are easier to remember. Just like any other wallet, you still want to record these numbers in the correct order displayed on your wallet. Then you will need to add them all up to get the sum to enter and verify that you have written it down correctly. If written down correctly, then your device is ready to go. Using the app, you can easily manage your funds, including buying, sending, receiving, and swapping your crypto and NFTs. Even though you're using the app to initiate these transactions, you still have to use your CoolWallet Pro to approve each transaction for maximum security. I really enjoy the CoolBitX app as it does allow you to connect to various blockchain services such as Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and other third-party platforms, including staking platforms. There is even a built-in Web3 browser that allows you to browse various Web3 decentralized apps, including NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. The app also has a history tab that allows you to view all your past transactions. The settings tab allows you to add additional security measures to increase overall security and manage other aspects of your application and the card itself. For example, you can add addresses to your address book so you know exactly who you are transacting with. And the card settings is where you're able to update your firmware, reset your card, and view other options for your device. In terms of security, the CoolWallet Pro utilizes an EAL6+ secure element, which is one of the highest security standards in the industry, and more specifically in the hardware wallet industry. This chip ensures your private key remains safe on the device, as it is never meant to leave your device, and it doesn't. For added security, it's recommended that you enable the user-generated password and biometric authentication. This way, even if someone were to get a hold of your phone and your wallet, they would still need to know your password as well as have your biometrics to access your wallet. That said, I wouldn't recommend carrying around your wallet with your phone. It's best to only get your card out when you need to transact instead of carrying it in your wallet everywhere you go. You really don't need to take your CoolWallet to the grocery store. The card is water resistant and tamper proof. However, I would not recommend completely submerging the card in water, as it does have that e-ink display and a button as well as a charging port, which could be damaged if submerged in water completely. The CoolWallet Pro supports an outstanding 12,000 plus coins and tokens across 27 blockchain networks. This includes popular tokens like ERC20, BEP20, and all ERC 721 and 1155 non-fungible tokens. Now let me bring this a little closer. One thing I don't like about the CoolWallet Pro is that for the price of $150, there are a lot of other hardware wallets on the market that you could shop for. This includes the entire Keystone lineup, LEPAL, as well as CoolWallet's direct competitor Tangem, which is another crypto wallet card. That said, the CoolWallet Pro is one of the only crypto wallet cards that does come with a display and a button on the actual card itself, making it pretty user-friendly and definitely portable. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. It helps me out, and I really hope the content I make is helping you out, so it's a win-win. Now back to the regular program. Some other things I noticed that I didn't like, which is more of a pet peeve than anything, is that there are some spelling errors in the app, as well as some text that is too wide to fit on the screen. Although not a huge deal, obviously it doesn't affect usability or security. I would expect the final version of a product to have the basics like spelling and being able to see the text on screen covered. And my last pet peeve is the charging cable. It's really short. Now, what I do like about the CoolWallet Pro and about CoolWallet as a company is that they have been manufacturing crypto wallets since 2015, and they have a pretty good track record. The Pro itself has never been hacked. However, there was a vulnerability in the CoolWallet S, which is their other wallet, that was discovered in the Android app in 2020. But that does not affect the Pro wallet, and I believe that has since been resolved. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced crypto wallet user, the CoolWallet Pro does offer a user-friendly and portable device that supports a wide range of crypto assets, making the CoolWallet Pro a good and secure option to protect your crypto and other digital assets. For a bunch of other crypto wallet reviews, make sure to check out my crypto wallet review playlist right here. I'll see you next time.